This class we shall be looking for class 10th total English chapter number 4, that is tense and their uses, part 1, assignment B. In the last class in which we had discussed assignment A, which is already uploaded on my channel, and in today's class we are going to discuss assignment B. So let us begin the class. What is tense? We have already discussed how many parts of it, how many sub parts of it, things have been discussed. Let us see what is talking about in this exercise. Say, this assignment says to supply the present perfect tense or present perfect continuous tense. Okay, the last class I told you about simple present. Okay, where we use yes or es form. For negative and interrogative we use do, does. Okay, do not, does not, like that. I told about present continuous, that is, am, are plus ing form is used. For negative is not am not or not things have been used. What about present perfect tense? So in present perfect tense, there are two basically verb that we use. The first is has, another is have. Okay, has and have, these two are helping verb, and with these two verbs we use third form of the verb or past participle form. Okay, has is used with the singular subject and have is used with the plural subject. Clear? What about interrogative and negative? So has not, have not, things have been used. Clear? Now let us talk on present perfect continuous tense. This is also the same thing. See, present perfect is the same tense what is present perfect, only continuous is used. So two things you have to add here. First of all, has and have, okay, has, have, then been, then ing, and then since or for. This is the structure that we are going to use in this tense. If you will remember the structure, I hope that things have been never forget from your mind. Now see, when we use since and when we use for, many times I discussed you in the class as well as my channel. So if you want to get explanation of these two, when we use since, period of time and the point of time, what we use there, you can go and then watch the video, or you can study by yourself from your book. Things have been given in your book as well. So this is the structure what I basically introduced you before starting the class. So now we are just proceeding for the statement given in your assignment. Let us see. I dash, take your letters, please take them. See, the verb bring is to be used. So when we read this statement, we find the action, what action has been completed. See, I dash take your letter, please take them. Okay, so I, that has and have two verb we use here. So this is used for singular, so I is given, we cannot use this, so have is the option. And what about bring? See, the third form of the verb of this verb we have to use. So have, then what is the third form of the verb of bring? So that will be brought. Okay, brought. So I have brought. Okay, your letters, please take them. I have brought your letters, please take them. Clear? Okay, so now this action is given the first action, and that is what second action. Clear? Now we'll see the second one. Let me use my pencil first. Say, when we use present perfect and present perfect continuous tense. These rules we have to always keep in our mind. Try to check the action which have been given the first as the first action. Number 2, Abha dashed your letters since morning and she is only half of it. Verb type is given. Now I told you since and for. Okay, I told you since and for is used where in present perfect continuous tense. So this is very simple to recognize for you. Okay, see, since is already given. Since morning she has been typing. Now I told answer to you. See, why has been? Because Abha is a singular subject, and I told you that has is used with all singular subject. So that is why has. I told you as well that been is also added in a continuous tense, so perfect continuous, been plus ing, so type will be typing. So Abha has been typing your letters since morning. Okay, since morning she has been doing that work, and yet she is only half away, still she is doing. Somewhere the action is being completed. See, the action has been completed here and still incomplete. That is only the present perfect continuous tense. Somewhere the action is going on and still it is incomplete. See, that is the present perfect continuous. Now I dash stamps ever since I joined the school. Collect. Again, since is given, so answer is very simple. What types of tense you have to use here? Basically perfect continuous. So see, I, then have must be used, have then been must be used, collect is given, so ing must be used. So I have been collecting stamps ever since I joined the school. Clear? Number 4, now I dash so many stamps that I do not know where to put them. See, this sentence is simply said that there is not any action that is going on there. It means the action has been already completed. The verb gather is given. So gather becomes gathered. Okay, gathered. I, then have is used. So I have now I have gathered so many stamps so that I do not know where to put them. Clear? We'll go for the next one, that is fifth one. My towel is wet. Someone dash it. My towel is wet. The first action. Okay. Someone dash it. Use. So someone, that is singular subject. And for singular subject what we use? Has. And has plus ed form. So that will be used past participle form. So my towel is wet. Someone has used it. Clear? Alright. Number 6. I dash all the milk. Nothing is left for you. Again, use, then have. Have will be with I, then have, then used all the milk. Nothing is left for you. आई हैव यूज ऑल द मिल्क, मैंने सारा मिल्क जो है वो यूज़ कर लिया है, कुछ भी नहीं बचा है. ठीक है, तो आप एक तरफ देखेंगे द फर्स्ट एक्शन विच इज़ गोइंग इन प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस एंड नथिंग इज़ लेफ्ट फॉर यू. आप ये देखेंगे तो ये कहीं ना कहीं सिंपल टेंस की बात कर रहा है ना, सिंपल प्रेजेंट. So if the one action is given in present perfect tense, so another action must be given in another tense. It can't be given two action is given with the same tense. Try to, that is the sequence of tenses. Sequence of tenses, the chapter, read it. That I explained always. Number 7th, the old man dashed at the bus stop for an hour. Tell him that the last bus dashed already. Two verbs is used, stand and go. देखिए, for an hour, for का यूज़ किया गया भाई. इट मीन्स द एक्शन इज गिवन इन प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट टेंस. तो ओल्ड मैन है तो सबसे पहले यहाँ पे आप हैज़ लगा लीजिए. हैज़ लगाएंगे तो बीन लगाना ही है. ठीक है, पहला स्टैंड दिया तो आप बीन के साथ आई लगाएंगे तो वो स्टैंडिंग हो जाएगा. देखिए, ऐसे सेंटेंस को चेंज करिए. द ओल्ड मैन हैज़ बीन स्टैंडिंग एट द बस स्टॉप फॉर एन आवर. 1 घंटे से वो खड़ा है वहाँ पे. टेल हिम दैट द लास्ट बस डैश ऑलरेडी. अब दूसरा आपको प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट में लगाना है तो द बस हैज़ ही लगाएंगे, क्योंकि बस जो है वो सिंगुलर है, बस हैज़। अब गो का थर्ड फॉर्म विल बी गॉन। तो इस तरह से आपको वर्ब भी पता होने चाहिए। इफ़ यू गोइंग टू अटेम्प्ट एनी स्टेटमेंट, you must know all types of verb. Now see, yet I dash since morning, I can't go home until late in the evening. Okay, verb. So I dash, I, then the since is given, very simple to recognize. I, then have, then been, then work is given, so ing will be used. Answer is coming. I have been working since morning and I can't go home until late in the evening. ठीक है, देखिए 9th, he dash his work and he is going home now. Finish is given, going home now. ठीक है, इसका मतलब है कि एक्शन कंप्लीट हो गया, ओनली वन एक्शन इज गिवन। सो प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट का यूज़ करेंगे भाई। तो ही के साथ तो सिंगुलर है तो हैज़ यूज़ करेंगे, हैज़ फिनिश्ड ईडी फॉर्म, he has finished his work and is going home now। ठीक है। नंबर 10, शीतल डैश फॉर 3 आवर्स। देखिए फॉर 3 तुरंत पहचानिए आप, फॉर 3 आवर्स प्रेजेंट परफेक्ट। शीतल जल्दी से आंसर बना लीजिए भाई, हैज़ के साथ बीन लगाइए और राइट है तो राइटिंग हो जाएगा। तो शीतल हैज़ बिन राइटिंग फॉर 3 आवर्स एंड सून शी विल हैव टू स्टॉप। ठीक है, तो ये तो आपके आंसर्स हो गए भाई। असाइनमेंट बी जो है वो यहाँ पे कंप्लीट हो गया है। I hope that this assignment is clear to you. This is the 10th class student, so I always focus that students must know all the rules and things of your grammar. Do not copy the answers from the channel, from my channel or anywhere. Okay, try to attempt things by yourself. Okay, so we'll see in the next video, in the next test paper, that is test paper 4. Till that time student, thank you so much.